If you want to use current date in a formula or in a worksheet, you can insert today function. This function returns current date in a cell. The syntax of this function is very simple. This function does not have any arguments. It works without arguments. Let's check out. Click this cell. In formula bar, function library group, click date and time arrow button. Scroll down, click today function. In function arguments dialog box, you can see this function does not take any arguments. Click OK. The function returns current date as in your PC and laptop. This function is a dynamic function. The date is changed when you edit the formula and reopen the worksheet in next day. If you do not want to change date when you reopen the workbook, use date function. Date function has 3 arguments. You enter parts of date in function arguments dialog box. This is the name of function. This function has 3 arguments. Active this cell. In formulas tab, function library group, click date and time arrow button. Click date function. The function arguments dialog box opened. In year box, type the year 2019. In month box, type the month January. In day box, type the day 27. Click OK. You have date in a cell. If you want to find number of days between two dates, use days function. Days function returns number between two dates. Days function has 2 arguments. Its syntax is very simple. There are 2 arguments in this function. Now active this cell. Type any previous date in this cell. Let's suppose December 15, 2018. Now active this cell. Click date and time arrow button. Click days function. Days function arguments dialog box open. In end date box, type the current date. In start date box, type the previous date. Click OK. You can see there are 43 days difference between two dates. So you have number of days between two dates. In this way, you can find number of days between two dates.